Hello, friends, and welcome to Little Bean's Garden, located in Pomona, California, Zone 10A, established in 2015. My name is Sule, and I will be your host for today. Today is February 10th, 2024, and I think today is a day where I am going to harvest most of these Valencia oranges. So let's go ahead. I'm going to put you up close and personal. Okay, and I have my container ready. Hopefully you can see that. It's just a pot that I'm going to be using, and it's empty. All it has is dirt. All right, so let's go ahead and get to it. Look at this beautiful orange. Aren't they so pretty? So pretty. So they seem ready to me. Okay, this one has a little bit of orange, so I'm not gonna take that one. This one has orange. This one does not. Okay, this one. Nice. Look at this. Isn't she a beauty? And I personally don't like to yank on my oranges. I feel like it damages the branches, so I don't do that. I rather use some pruners to cut them. And check this out. All right, I'm gonna get the rest done, but try to guess how many we're gonna cut. Okay, I just wanted to jump on real quick to tell you that if you don't have an orange tree, you are missing out. Man, harvesting these oranges is so relaxing, so therapeutic. Plus, at the end of the harvest, you get to fill up your belly with these beautiful, juicy, delicious oranges. All right, friends, I'm done harvesting. Let's go ahead and count them together. Okay, let me see if you can see that. It is absolutely empty, nothing in there. Let's go ahead and start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 99, 100. Wow, can you believe that? We cut 100 little oranges. Oh my god. And let me get you off this tripod and show you what the tree still looks like. All right, friends, after cutting 100 little oranges, this is what the tree still looks like. We made a small dent, but as you can see, it is absolutely loaded with oranges still. These are some that we cut also, but they were damaged. It seems like they have gotten a lot of water and they have split open. And since we have so many, I'm not going to try to eat what's good. I'll leave it there for the animals to feast on. And there is still a bunch more to go. We still have a tree full of fruit, and some of them still have green in them. That's why I really didn't want to get everything off the tree yet. But so far we are at 100 oranges. Poor little tree. I did take off a lot of the bottom branches because it looked like it was suffering with all the fruit, but yeah, I wanted to bring you along with this harvest. I can't even talk. I absolutely love harvest time, and I thought you would enjoy it too. If you have stuck this far, well guys, that's it from Little Bean's Garden. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, hitting the like button, and sharing this video with your friends. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.